In this video, I will demonstrate the process of changing the default voice assistant on your Android device from Google Assistant to Gemini. To begin, download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Gemini app. Upon the initial launch, you will be prompted to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini. Tap on the Switch button. You can review the app's terms of service and privacy policy at the bottom of the screen. Once you have read and agree to the terms, tap on the I agree button. That concludes this tutorial. For more informative and educational content, please subscribe to our channel or click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads.